All right, guys, we're getting ready to do lesson 2 expert Excel exercises, step-by-step exercises. It tells us to open formats in autofill and save it as formats in autofill solution. I have already done that. The next step it tells us is to go to C5 through F5. So I'm going to highlight C5 to F5. It says to hit Control 1, and it opens the Format Cells dialog box. You can also hit the dialog box launcher here to open it as well. I'll probably just clicking this because I prefer that one. In C5 through F5 range, you're going to click the number, and we're going to do number with 3 decimal places. Use the 1000 separator. And then in the list for negative numbers, we're going to select the first occurrence. It's already selected for us. And then in the category list, we're going to click cut. What happened? I'm going to go back through this. So number 3, then click custom. And it tells us to change to the following: pound, comma, pound, pound, 0.000, underscore, parentheses, semicolon, bracket, blue, close bracket, and then pound, comma, pound, pound, 0.000, and close it all out, and then click OK. So we notice here that it has changed it to 3 decimal places, and the negative number is now blue. Now, if you're looking at your paper, we have a whole table of things to do for number formatting. So I'm just going to continue to do that. I'm going to go back to the launcher for the format cells, and this time it tells us to highlight, first of all, highlight C6 through F6, and then go back to your launcher. And this is for percentage, so I'm going to click on percentage. They want 1 decimal place. I'm just looking at the table and looking at it and see. I'm going to click custom, and I see 0.0%, and I'm going to just put what's in the table, underscore, parentheses, semicolon, red, and then 0.0%, and hit OK. So we have that change that has been made. And now C7 through F11, and go back to my numbers. This text, so this time I'll go to text, and then custom, let me see, I'm going to type it like I see it first. Pessimist, no, optimist first. OPTIMIST, quotation mark, semicolon, now pessimist, quotation mark, semicolon, and nihilist, NIHILIST, semicolon, learning, space, at, space is fun. And so it changes those two texts, and then learning. Excel is already there, so the at symbol was replaced with Excel. And now we're going to C11 through F11. No, is it C11? Yeah. And it tells us to use the shortcut category number. Check the use 1000 separator. Select the second option in the negative numbers list box. Increase decimals to 4. And then we always go to custom, and then check it out and make sure it's what they wanted. So it's pound, comma, pound, pound, 0, 4. No, I did the wrong one. Okay, cancel this. I'm reading the wrong part of the table. Sorry. So it's this number. Check the use 1,000 separator with a comma. And then the second option in the list. And then go to custom. And it's pound, comma, pound, 000, semicolon, red, pound, comma, pound, 0.00. So that is correct. Click OK. So it changes that. And then do C12. So I'm going to pause here. And since the table is so long, no, just go ahead. I'll just have to keep going. Go back to the number dialog box. For C12, we don't want us to click number, 1,000 separator, this time, the second option, and then negative this time, 4 decimals, and go to custom, and then check pound, comma, pound, 000, red, and that is correct. Click OK, and then highlight C13 through F13, and this is a fraction. So I'm going to go to the number, choose fraction, custom to make sure it's that, and then that is correct. Changes all of those to a fraction. Highlight C14 through F14, and this is another fraction, and it looks like up to 3 digits. And go to custom, make sure it is correct, and it is. So that is that. And then C15. It's a number. This is also a fraction, and it's 16ths. Go to custom, and that is correct. Click OK, and then C19 through F19. Go to number. This time it says currency. Select the 4th option in the type list box. Okay. Go to custom. $, pound, 000, underscore, red, $, pound, and then click OK. So that's that one. And then C20, we're skipping. It says go to C21 to F21. And then the shortcut category is accounting. Change the currency symbol to the English pound. So I gotta scroll down. There's the English pound. And then go to the custom category. And make sure it says underscore. We gotta add red in behind this semicolon. So that's that. And then highlight C22 through F22. Okay, I'm going to stop here because the 10 minutes is about up, and I'll resume the next video.